Hey, everyone! In this video, we're going to talk about how to create a workout routine that is tailored to your goals and fits your lifestyle. Whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscle, or simply improve your overall fitness, a well-designed workout routine is essential. Start with your goals. The first step in creating a workout routine is to determine your goals. Are you looking to lose weight, build muscle, or improve your cardiovascular fitness? Once you've identified your goals, you can create a workout plan that is tailored to your needs. Consider your schedule. When creating your workout routine, it's important to consider your schedule. How many days per week can you commit to working out? What time of day are you most likely to be able to exercise? By taking your schedule into account, you can create a workout plan that is both effective and sustainable. Incorporate a variety of exercises. In order to see results and avoid hitting a plateau, it's important to incorporate a variety of exercises into your workout routine. This includes cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Cardio exercises, such as running or cycling, will help you burn calories and improve your cardiovascular fitness. Strength training exercises, such as weightlifting or bodyweight exercises, will help you build muscle and increase your metabolism. Flexibility exercises, such as yoga or stretching, will help you improve your range of motion and reduce the risk of injury. Add some fun. Working out should be enjoyable, so try to add some fun exercises that you enjoy doing. If you don't like running, try swimming or cycling. If you don't like weightlifting, try bodyweight exercises or yoga. By finding activities you enjoy, you'll be more likely to stick to your workout plan. Make adjustments as needed. Finally, remember that your workout routine is not set in stone. As your fitness level improves, you may need to adjust the intensity or frequency of your workouts. Keep track of your progress and make changes as needed to continue challenging yourself and seeing results. Conclusion: creating a workout routine that is tailored to your goals and fits your lifestyle is essential for achieving your fitness goals. Remember to start with your goals, consider your schedule, incorporate a variety of exercises, add some fun and make adjustments as needed. Remember to seek professional help if necessary and always challenge yourself to reach new heights. Thank you for watching and good luck on your fitness journey.